This video will guide you through installation instructions for your Viking Voyage Tour Pack luggage rack. A luggage rack is a great addition to any touring bike, providing additional storage space and convenience for your luggage or gear. Your luggage rack will come with installation instructions and a hardware kit. For installation, you will need a wrench, drill machine, and masking tape. Place a mounting pad onto each of the mounting legs of the luggage rack using Loctite and position it on top of the tour pack lid. Make sure it is centered and not positioned too forward to avoid contact with your backrest. Once you know your position, apply masking tape on the tour pack lid under each of the 4 mounting points. Mark your points and remove the rack. Drill the 4 points and check to see if you can secure the bolts through. Assemble the bolts with first the metal washer, then a plastic washer over each screw, and mount the tour pack. Finally, install the screws through the holes in the tour pack lid and into the rack mounting pads, and tighten. Congratulations! Your Voyage Tour Pack luggage rack is installed, and you are ready to ride.